After years of development and rigorous testing, the Spanish Army is set to receive the first batch of VCR 8x8 Dragón wheeled combat vehicles. The delivery, anticipated in the coming weeks, marks a significant achievement in the modernization of Spain's military forces, bringing advanced armored vehicles to the front lines. This development follows a series of successful testing phases and a multi-year collaboration between key industrial partners, with Indra playing a pivotal role in the project. The VCR 8x8 Dragón is designed to enhance the operational capabilities of the Spanish Army. This new generation vehicle, based on General Dynamics Piranha V, promises to replace older armored vehicles in service while offering improved mobility, protection, and firepower. The Dragón is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including the Guardian 30 turret, which houses a 30mm Mk-44S cannon and anti-tank missiles, making it a formidable presence on the battlefield. The turret also has the capacity for a coaxial machine gun, enhancing its offensive capabilities. Beyond its weaponry, the Dragón is built for modern warfare. It is powered by a 620 horsepower Scania engine, providing a top speed of 100 km per hour on roads, and a suspension system that allows for exceptional off-road mobility. The vehicle's armor meets NATO's highest protection standards, safeguarding the crew from a range of threats, including large-caliber bullets and explosive devices. The modular design of the Dragón also ensures that it can be upgraded throughout its service life, enabling the integration of new technologies and mission systems. The delivery of the first vehicles comes after the completion of a critical testing phase, where the Dragón demonstrated its performance in a variety of scenarios. The acceptance testing began in late 2024, with the first 7 units undergoing operational evaluations. These tests are key to ensuring that the vehicles meet the rigorous standards required for military use. Indra, in collaboration with the Test Defense Consortium, has been instrumental in the development, production, and integration of these advanced vehicles. The VCR 8x8 Dragón is designed with flexibility in mind. The vehicle is available in several configurations to serve different military functions, such as infantry fighting, reconnaissance, combat engineering, and command post support. Additionally, the Dragón features a cutting-edge mission system developed by Indra, which integrates artificial intelligence and a 360-degree vision system for improved battlefield awareness. The system is capable of coordinating real-time data across various units and platforms, optimizing operational efficiency and enhancing situational awareness in complex combat environments. While the program has faced delays, with the initial batch of vehicles scheduled for delivery in 2022, the Spanish Ministry of Defense is optimistic that the first units will arrive soon. Despite challenges in production timelines, the delivery of the first 11 vehicles represents a crucial step toward the broader goal of modernizing Spain's military forces as part of the Force 35 initiative. This initiative, which began in 2020, aims to provide the Spanish Army with a fleet of highly advanced, networked, and interoperable vehicles. The Dragón's introduction is part of a larger trend in military modernization across Europe, as nations strive to meet the evolving demands of contemporary conflicts. With its combination of advanced firepower, protection, and connectivity, the VCR 8x8 Dragón is poised to play a key role in Spain's defense strategy, helping to ensure the country's land forces remain competitive and capable in an increasingly complex security landscape. As production ramps up and additional units are delivered, the Dragón will become a cornerstone of the Spanish Army's armored fleet, ready for deployment in both national and international operations. In conclusion, the VCR 8x8 Dragón is not just a new vehicle for the Spanish Army. It represents a leap forward in military technology, offering enhanced mobility, protection, and operational effectiveness. As Spain continues to modernize its forces, the Dragón will play an essential role in adapting to the challenges of modern warfare.